everybody. Welcome to another day of learning from home. So today, I just wanted to say I miss you. I wish I could be teaching all of you inside the classroom. I wish that I could see all of your smiles every single day and receive your hugs and just know that I miss all of you, every single one of you, okay? And you, and you, and you, okay? Today we're going to do lesson 25 where we are regrouping, adding and regrouping tens and ones. And I'm going to present my screen. And I'd like you to get your math book out and do it along with us. Remember that if you ever get to a point where I am going too fast for you, remember that you can pause the video and you can pause it until you get caught up. So we are looking at adding and regrouping, and the page number is right down here. It says 227. There are 2 in the hundreds, 2 in the tens, and 7 in the ones. Okay? So it says to look and regroup. Okay? So I'm going to try to find my tool. How come my tool isn't coming up? All right. So I think now that I can write on here, it says find 26 plus 5. Well, here they have 26 plus 5, and here they have 1 10, 2 10s, and 6 1s. So they drew out 26 plus 5 more 1s. Here it says, then add the 10s and 1s. Okay? So we have 26 plus 4 plus 1. We're going to see what they were doing and see if that makes any sense. Oops, that went really fast. Mrs. Sanders is learning, and sometimes it's a little hard for her. All right, so here we have problem 37 plus 6. And Mrs. Sanders knows that this stuff over here, that's what they do in the workbook. But I like to draw my own evidence every time, even if there's already evidence written. So it says find 37 plus 6. So I'm going to take, how come my tools aren't, oh, there we go, because I didn't grab the tools. All right, so I'm going to grab my tools and I'm going to change. I'm going to change that to red, and I'm going to change that to purple. I'm going to write with purple today. So 37 plus 6. Okay, so 37A plus 6. Okay, why is it doing that? Around to a loop, number 6 rolls a hoop. So 37 plus 6. So I want to look at my 10s and 1s, right? So I'm going to put my T right there, and I'm going to find how many 10s and how many 1s I have. Look at that, filled in. And I'm going to see how many 10s and how many 1s. I look right here, there are no 10s, right? So I'm going to draw that. I have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, and 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7. Okay, so I have 3 10s and 7 1s plus 6 more 1s. So I'm going to make them different. I'm going to do 1, 1, 2, 2 1s, and 3 1s, 4 1s, 5 1s, 6 ones. So I have a group of 10 and I have 3 more ones right there. So this says I have 40. I'm going to go way back up to the top for a second, and I'm going to grab a different color. I'm going to say that that color right here. And I'm not going to have any fill. None. Okay, but I want to change my color to red. Okay, so I'm going to go back down, and it says I have 3 10s right here, right? But over here, I have made another group of 10s with those ones. So what that's telling me is that now I have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. Let's count the value of 4 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. 40. And that is what they have right here. They have 40, and that's what we counted up above. And then how many extra ones do we have? 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. So 40 plus 3. That's just like expanded form, isn't it? 40 plus 3 is 43, right? So we're going to write it in standard form. And that means that 37 plus 6, which is the problem that we had right here, is going to be equal to 43 as well. Nice job. We're going to move to the next page, and we are going to do problem number 2. And it says, find 19 plus 9. I like to look at my 10s and my 1s, right? First you, Mrs. Sanders. First you make a T, then you make an O, O, O. 2 is written with a T and then an O, 2, 2. So I've got my 10s and my 1s, and it shows that I have one group of 10 right here, 1 10, and it shows I have 9 in my 1s place. 1 1, 2 1s, 3 1s, 4 1s, 5 1s, new line, 6 1s, 7 1s, 8 1s, 9 1s. So I've done my evidence for the 1 in the 10s place, and I've done my evidence for the 9 in the 1s place. Now I need to do evidence for the 9 other ones. I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to change my color to purple. Okay, so I had 9 1s here. I need to make 9 more 1s. So I'm going to finish out that 10 frame. 1 1, 2 1s, 3 1s, 4 1s, 5 1s, 6 1s, new line, 7 1s, 8 1s, 9 1s. So now I made another group of 10. So I had to regroup. I have 1 10 over here, and I have another group of 10 right here. So 10, 20, right here, 20, plus how many 1s do we have left over? 8. What is 20 plus 8? 28. Is that what they did over here? They moved this one right here, and they moved it over here so that then, whoops, so then they could say that they made that group of 10. Now this one's no longer there, right? And there are 8 left. Just another way to show it. So 20 plus 8 is equal to 19 plus 9. If they are equal to each other, that means they are going to have the same amount on both sides. So my answer right here will be 28. All right, moving on. Number 28, or number 3 says find 28 plus 5. Remember, if we're going too fast or too slow, you can speed up the video or you can slow down the video by looking for that gear, and you can move that speed to go a little faster or go a little slower too. So we have 28 plus 5. I'm going to look at my place value. I have a 2 in the tens place, and I have an 8 in the ones place, right? So over here, I have 5. I don't have 5 tens. I have 5 ones. Oops, that wants to come over here with me. I want that to stay there. I have 5, not in the tens place. I have 5 in the ones place, and I have, ooh, that went way crazy. In the, is it going crazy on me? Nothing in the tens, right? So if I have 28, that means I need to have 2 groups of 10. 10, 20, right? 20 plus 8, right? And I have 8 ones. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones. So I have 2 tens and 8 ones. Now I need to add 5 more ones. I'm going to change my color. I'm going to change my color to this pretty orange color. So I need to make, oops, Mrs. Sanders forgot that I cannot change my color till I start writing. That needs to go back to purple. And hey, go back to purple. Go back to purple and stay purple. Thank you. Okay, so there's my purple. Now I'm clicking out, and I'm going to change my color to, remember, if Mrs. Sanders is going too slow, you can speed up the video and say, go faster, Mrs. Sanders, go faster. So I have 5 more ones I need to draw. And goodness gracious, here we go. 1 1, 2 ones, new line, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones. I'm gonna, there. All right, so you can see that right here, what they did was they drew 28 and then they drew 5 over here, and they were showing how you can take this group right here, those 2 ones, and then you can move them over here to put 1 1 there and 2 ones here. Mrs. Sanders thinks it's easier to just draw it in your 10 frames, in your tens and ones first, but make it different, and you still have the same amount. 2 tens, 3 tens, and 3 ones, right? And here we have, oops, 3. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, so we have 3 tens and 3 ones, and those ones don't, these ones don't count anymore, right? Because we moved them over here. So if we have 30 plus what? How many ones do we have left over right here? Right, we have 3 ones. So 30 plus 3 is 33. So 28 plus 5 is 33. All right. Okay, 2 more problems and we're done for the day. We have 65 plus 8. We're going to divide out our tens and ones, tens and ones. There's my tens. I have 6 tens, so I'm going to draw my 6 tens. And you can draw them just like I do, okay? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, new line, 6 tens, check. Now I need 5 ones, right? 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones. Now I need 8 ones, right? Because this number 8, we can divide it in the place value as well. There are 0 numbers in the tens place, and there are 8 in the ones place, right? In the ones place. So I need to make 8 more ones. So I'm going to make 1 1, 2 ones. I'm making it different, right? So I can recheck. 3 ones, 4 ones. Oops. 4 ones and 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones. So look at that. I made a group of 10. So I'm going to regroup. And this 10 I can count just like these 10s. They have the same value. They are equal, right? So let's count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That's what they have right here is 70. So 70 plus, how many ones are left? 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones. 3 ones are left, so we'll put 3 there. So we have 70 plus 3 equals 73. Nice job. That means that 65 plus 8, that's the problem we started with, is also equal to 73. And we're done with that problem. We got one more to go. If you want and you think you have this, go ahead and try it. And then come back and check it and see if you did it the same way. You can press pause and go ahead and just try to work it out. I'd like you to draw your own picture though first, okay? Thank you. So we have 54. We have tens. We have Mrs. Sanders is having technical difficulties. I have my tens place and my ones place. And even though I have 0 in the tens place, I still have tens place and ones place, right? So I need to draw 5 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Ignore that triangle at the bottom of that. And 4 ones. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones. Okay, so now I'm done with that one, and I'm done with this one. Now I need to do my 7 ones. So I'm going to make them different. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones. What happened? I made a group of 10. That's right. I have to box it in. Say it with me. Box it in. So now we're going to count our tens. We're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's right. There are 60. Technical difficulties. Mrs. Sanders keeps pressing the space bar with her tool. So there's 60 plus how many ones are left over? 1 1, right? So what's 60 plus 1? 61. And 54 plus 7 is 61. Nice job, boys and girls. I sure missed you. Remember that we have some great songs on Clever. You can practice place value songs. You can practice your coin songs. You can practice reading with Mrs. Stone. See you next time. Maybe if I can cancel, minimize that. Stop sharing my screen. Go back to my Zoom. I miss you, everybody. Have a great day.